this video, we are going to play Kahoot! So, we are going to learn about Bible characters in the New Testament. So, we are going to answer the questions they ask. Like, let's begin. First, we are going to enter the game pin. But, if you don't know any characters in the Bible,
if you don't know any characters in the Bible, you can learn like us. Like we don't know some Bible collectors too. And if you know every Bible collectors, just some you don't know, you can learn with us.
yes.
So we can learn together.
Yep. So let's begin.
So anyways, I'm doing the
With the tablet, and I'm doing in this TV. Okay, so this is the game pin. 6 0 5 3 2 1 1
6 0 5
5 3
3
2
2
1 1
1 1.
Go. Press go. So now it's time for our nicknames. I'm gonna put. I know. Is that right? Oh, again, I forgot to put A. So, okay. I'm
in. Don't press anything. I'm finding the D. I'm finding D. Okay.
only two words. Only 2 words. Oh,
I'm in it. So we both are basically in. So Golu Doctor is me and Classic is
me.
So basically,
Let's
I
start.
call her Annie, but
it's Annya. Let's start. Bible characters, New Testament.
1. Who is that?
Jesus was born in. Where was Jesus born? In Bethlehem, Jerusalem, Egypt, or Nazareth? In Bethlehem.
I did first.
Next. I know you did first. It's fine. What is the name of Jesus' mother? It's Mary.
I am gonna win.
It's not Martha. It's not Mary Magdalene. It's not Ruth. It's Mary. Let's move on to the next question.
Oh, I was the winner.
Yeah. The first to witness the birth of Jesus were shepherds. We don't know actually. Okay. So we are going to go to the next question.
I'm with the fire.
Golu is on fire.
Oh no! I'm on fire!
What is the name of the small man who climbed up a sycamore tree to better see Jesus? Zacchaeus. Oh, I'm on fire now. Okay. What is the name of Martha and Mary's sibling who was raised from the dead? Lazarus. Both of us did it at the same time.
But I'm the first one.
Yeah, she's 101st, I mean. To whom did Jesus say, "On this rock I will build my church"?
Which one is it?
Peter or John? It's Peter!
Still
Yeah,
I'm
she's
first.
100 above me. What is the name of the Pharisee that came to Jesus by night to ask questions? Nicodemus. Nicodemus came at night to ask questions to Jesus.
So if you don't know, you can just... And remember that.
What is the name of the disciple that betrayed Jesus with a kiss?
Peter?
Judas Iscariot. Oh, she got wrong. It means I'm gonna be the first one. As you can see, I'm on the fire and the first. Next question.
I need it.
Who ordered Jesus to be sacrificed? Pontius Pilate, not Caiaphas, I don't know what's that, Caesar, or
Well,
Herod.
Golu wants to be the first.
Actually, it's not about why did Jesus choose to die on the cross? It's actually both of them are correct. To pay for all human wrongdoings and to reestablish relationship between human and God. So both of them are correct. We can press any of them.
Don't forget any of these questions.
Yes. Who first discovered that Jesus was resurrected? It's Mary Magdalene. It's not Martha. It's not Luke. It's Peter. Oh, I mean not Peter. Mary Magdalene.
Please.
Oh, I'm 1,000 above her.
Can you please do something wrong?
Who is known to be the first Christian martyr? Stephen. It's not John. It's not Peter. It's not Saul. It's Stephen.
Can you do something wrong, please?
No, it's just like that. What was the Apostle Paul's main occupation before he became a Christian? A fisherman, tax collector, tent maker, or a camel salesman? It's a tent maker.
I think I'm gonna be the first one.
Are you kidding me? Who wrote the Book of Revelation in the New Testament? Who do you think? It's not Paul the Apostle. It's not Peter the Apostle. Ringo the Apostle? No, it's John the Apostle.
Can you please?
So we both got correct. Next question.
It's me to
Who wrote the Acts of the Apostle? Who wrote it? Who? I forgot. I think Paul. You were wrong!
I knew it.
It's Luke. I forgot. It's fine. Okay.
Nobody.
Third place, because it was just two of us, so no one is at the third.
Classic.
Second classic. First. Golu the Doctor.
This is the first time being the first by my own.
Yes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Give a thumbs up.
Thank
Bye.
you. Okay, bye.
Why are you still there?